Hi, in this video you will see top 100 general knowledge questions which are mostly used or given in the competitive exams. The first one, the first president of India. Correct answer is Rajendra Prasad. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer Itanagar. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which is the largest desert in India? Thar Desert. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Iron Man of India, Sardar Patel. The Tehsil headquarters of Rajasthan's largest district, Bikaner, is Bikaner. This is Tehsil headquarters of the district. Bikaner is Bikaner. Which river is called Sorrow of Bihar? Sorrow of Bihar, Kosi. Who wrote an elementary treatise on the differential calculus? Who wrote this book? An elementary treatise on the differential calculus. Correct answer is Leonhard Euler. This is read as Euler. The headquarters of UNESCO is located at UNESCO, Paris. UNESCO, Paris. The headquarters of the International Labour Organization, Geneva. International Labour Organization, Geneva. What is the SI unit of force? SI unit of force, Newton. SI unit of force is Newton. Which planet is called the morning star? Venus. Morning star, Venus. Tallest statue in India as of 2025. Statue of Unity in Gujarat. Tallest statue in India as of 2025. Who wrote the Mahabharata? Valmiki. Mahabharata written by Valmiki. Who is the first woman chief election commissioner of India? Sushma Singh. First woman CEC. Sushma Singh. Who invented jet engine? Jet engine. All of them. Jet engine. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal was built by whom? Shah Jahan. The largest freshwater lake in India is Wular Lake. Largest freshwater lake in India is Wular Lake. The first Indian to win the Nobel Prize is Rabindranath Tagore. Currency of Bhutan, Kulthum. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Correct answer here is vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Author of Wings of Fire, APJ Abdul Kalam. Wings of Fire, APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Gujarat. Longest coastline, that is sea border. The chemical name of baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Who discovered the law of gravitation? Isaac Newton. Law of gravitation. Isaac Newton. What is the capital of South Korea? Seoul. South Korea, Seoul. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Microsoft, Bill Gates. The Nobel Prize in Physics in 2024 was awarded to? First one. Nobel Prize in Physics in 2024 was awarded to Alan Aspect, John Clauser, Anton Zeilinger. The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is located in Coral Sea. The Great Barrier Reef is located in Coral Sea. Which crop is known as the king of cereals? Rice. King of cereals? Rice. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Ganges river dolphin. Ganges river dolphin. Aquatic animal of national aquatic water. Ganges dolphin. Who wrote A Suitable Boy? Who wrote A Suitable Boy? Vikram Seth. Suitable Boy, remember? Vikram Seth. What is the longest river? Nile in the world. This is longest river in the world is Nile river. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Penicillin, Alexander Fleming. What is the capital of Canada? Capital of Canada, Ottawa. Which country gifted the Taj Mahal's idol of Kali to India? Which country gifted the Taj Mahal's idol of Kali to India? Nepal. Who proposed the theory of relativity? Theory of relativity, Albert Einstein. Which Indian is known as the Missile Man? Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. Missile Man, Abdul Kalam. How many continents are there? 7. Number of continents? 7. Which chemical element has atomic number 1? Atomic number 1, hydrogen. What is the capital of New Zealand? Wellington. New Zealand, Wellington. Who wrote Geetanjali? Geetanjali. Remember the book name Geetanjali? Rabindranath Tagore. Where is the headquarters of OECD located? Paris. OECD, Paris. Who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone, Graham Bell. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. You're mostly confused with the oxygen. It's not oxygen. Mostly abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen. Who composed the Swapna Sundari Ragam? Swapna Sundari Ragam. Tyagaraja. Swapna Sundari Ragam. What is the capital of Mongolia? Mongolia. Ulaanbaatar. Mongolia. Who wrote My Experiments with Truth? My Experiments with Truth. Mahatma Gandhi. Which planet has rings? Saturn. Saturn is the planet which has rings. What is the capital of South Africa? What is the capital of South Africa? Correct answer is Pretoria for admin, Cape Town for legislative, and Bloemfontein for judicial. This one. Capital of South Africa. Multiple capitals are there depending upon the administrative organizations. Who is the author of Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the national flower of India? National flower of India, lotus. National flower of India, lotus. Who is known as the father of Indian nuclear program? Father of Indian nuclear program, Homi Bhabha. Which city is known as the Paris of the East? Kolkata. Which city is known as the Paris of the East? Is the Kolkata. Who introduced the theory of evolution? Theory of evolution. Charles Darwin. Man came from monkey, etc. It is his theory. Theory of evolution. Charles Darwin. Who discovered the circulation of blood? Circulation of blood, William Harvey. Circulation of blood, William Harvey. The currency of Japan. The currency of Japan is yen. Japan, yen. Who wrote Midnight's Children? Midnight's Children, Salman Rushdie. Midnight's Children, Salman Rushdie. Which Indian dynasty built the Konark Sun Temple? Konark Sun Temple, Ganga. Which Indian dynasty built the Konark Sun Temple? Who invented radio? Radio, Marconi. Who invented radio? It is Marconi. What is the capital of Brazil? Capital of Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Capital of Brazil is Rio de Janeiro. What is the capital of Brazil? Sorry, it is Brasilia. Capital of Brazil, Brasilia. Brasilia, capital of Brazil. The Green Revolution in India was associated with which crop? Green Revolution of India, wheat. Green Revolution of in India was associated with wheat crop. Who wrote The God of Small Things? The God of Small Things, remember, Arundhati Roy. God of Small Things, Arundhati Roy. Which element has atomic number 79? Atomic number 79 is gold. Atomic number 79 is gold. Chemistry. Who discovered radium? Who discovered radium? Marie Curie. Who discovered radium? Marie Curie. What is the Earth's largest continent? Earth's largest continent, Asia. Asia is the Earth's largest continent. Who founded ISRO? Who founded ISRO? Vikram Sarabhai. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, was founded by Vikram Sarabhai. Which currency is used in Russia? Russia ruble, remember, Russia ruble. Who is the Nightingale of India? Who is the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Nightingale of India is Sarojini Naidu. What is the capital of Finland? Capital of Finland is Helsinki. Capital of Finland is Helsinki. Who wrote The Alchemist book? Who wrote The Alchemist? Paulo Coelho. The term global warming was coined by Wallace Breuer. Global warming, Wallace Breuer. Who is known as the father of economics? Father of economics, Adam Smith. Adam Smith, father of economics. What is the largest organ in human body? Brain. Largest organ in human body is not brain, sorry, skin. Largest organ in human body is skin. Which country has the largest population? Country which has the largest population? China. Now, during the exam, at the time of exam, you have to get the very latest information whether India has surpassed China or not. So, which country has the largest population? China. Who discovered oxygen? Who discovered oxygen? Anthony Lavoisier. Anthony Lavoisier. Who discovered oxygen? What is the capital of Turkey? Capital of Turkey, Ankara. Who wrote the second sex? Who wrote the second sex? 78. Simon de Beauvoir. Simon de Beauvoir. What is the smallest bone in human body? Smallest bone in human body. Stapes. Who invented the light bulb? Who invented the light bulb? Both B and C here. Nikola Tesla and Joseph Swan. Oh, sorry. Who invented the light bulb? It is Thomas Edison. In the beginning, Thomas Edison, yes, it is light bulb means Thomas Edison, and then Joseph Swan. So you can say if both are given, then you can use both A and C. Otherwise, if only if Thomas Alva Edison name is given, then you can write Thomas Edison. Right? If both are given, Thomas Edison and Joseph Swan, you can write these both names, both A and C. What is the capital of Kenya? Capital of Kenya, Nairobi. Kenya, Nairobi. Who authored Man and Biosphere, Ecology at the Millennium? Man and Biosphere, Ecology at the Millennium is written by whom? Wilson. Man and Biosphere, Ecology at the Millennium, Wilson. Which vitamin is synthesized in the skin? Which vitamin is synthesized in the skin? Vitamin D, synthesized in the skin. Who is known as the father of geometry? Father of geometry, Euclid. Euclid is known as the father of geometry. What is the main ingredient in tofu? Main ingredient in tofu, soya beans. Tofu is related with soya beans. Who discovered insulin? Who discovered insulin? Insulin was discovered by Frederick Banting and Charles Best. Right. Don't confuse with the penicillin. Penicillin by Alexander Fleming. Insulin by Frederick Banting and Charles Best. What is the capital of Indonesia? What is the capital of Indonesia? Jakarta. Capital of Indonesia, Jakarta. Who wrote the Odyssey? Homer. The Odyssey is written by Homer. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? This is very important question. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Carbon dioxide. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Correct answer is CO2, carbon dioxide. Who is called the poet of the revolution in India? Who is called the poet of the revolution in India? Subramanya Bharati. Poet of the revolution in India, Subramanya Bharati. What is the chemical formula of water? Chemical formula of water is H2O. Chemical formula of water H2O. Who discovered radioactivity? Radioactivity. Henry Becquerel. Radioactivity, Henry Becquerel. What is the world's highest mountain? World's highest mountain. Everest. Highest mountain, Everest. Who wrote Animal Farm? Animal Farm, George Orwell. Animal Farm, George Orwell. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Mars is known as the red planet. Who discovered the electron? Who discovered the electron? J.J. Thomson. Electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Which instrument measures atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is measured by which instrument? Barometer. Barometer, atmospheric pressure. Who is the author of A Brief History of Time? Author of A Brief History of Time, Stephen Hawking. A Brief History of Time, Stephen Hawking. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. Who discovered the father of modern genetics? Who discovered the father of modern genetics? Gregor Mendel. Who discovered the father of, who considered the father of modern genetics? The correct answer here is Gregor Mendel. So with this we have completed the 20 most repeated general knowledge questions in the competitive exams, right? If you like this video, do click on the like button. Those who are new can subscribe to this channel so that you get more informational and educational videos. Thanks for watching.